The world is more prosperous today than it ever was in its history. Per capita incomes were never as high as they are today. And that's when we are talking of a population of 8 billion people. 8 billion people with the highest possible level of per capita income, and those per capita incomes are only increasing at a global average rate of around 3% per year. In developing countries, the rate of increase of per capita income is often 7%, 8%, 9%. China actually experienced 10% for several consecutive years. The kind of technology that we have today, the power of information at our hand, has no parallel in history. And we are living longer. Average age lifespans in several European countries and Japan are already touching 90 years. The average fellow is living almost up to 90. Even in India, it has exceeded 75 years already. There are so many countries in the world that have almost absolute literacy now. In India, too, in several states, literacy levels have now exceeded 90%. We should be very, very joyful. This should be the golden period of human existence. No, we have gone to the moon, we are going to the Mars, we have thousands of man-made satellites orbiting the Earth, and you have thousands of channels available for your entertainment. Science is even trying to make man almost immortal. If not immortal, then make people live up to 150 years. There is no disease so big that man is not challenging it and trying to find a solution. Even HIV/AIDS almost has a cure today. We all should be extremely delighted. Man is God. We have done like no previous generation could. And man is more depressed today than he ever was. Mental disease is today a kind of epidemic that it never was. Suicide rates today are higher than they ever were. We have more nuclear weapons ready to be fired than ever were. And we are closer to a complete climate catastrophe than we ever were. We are wiping out more number of species today than we ever were.